Hi, my name is Lindsey Massen. I'm graduating in December and my major is interior architecture. So I grew up in Lake Mills, Wisconsin, which is really close to Madison. And then I went to La Crosse for 2 years, and then once I decided my major was going to be interior architecture, I decided to transfer to University of Wisconsin-Stevens Point. I was really intrigued by the major interior architecture. It was one of the few campuses that offered it. So when you first start, we did a lot of the fundamental class where we learned about the elements of design. So then towards your last year here, you do more bigger projects. So you'll have studio classes. For the whole semester, you're just working on one project, and there's different phases of it that you go through. So our last semester here, we get to make a portfolio. We've made one for our sophomore year. We have a portfolio review. But for our last year here, we get to make a final portfolio that would be used for interviews and for applying for jobs. So I'm excited to dive into that and have all of my work throughout the years at Stevens Point put together. I want to work for the commercial design industry and do hospitality, so I'd be working with hotels. And then another dream of mine would be to help third world countries develop more sustainably through interior architecture. I feel like all of my professors, each one has a little bit of something that inspired me. One of my professors inspired me with lighting, and one was always about every detail has to be perfect. Your attention to detail, if the measurement was 1/8 off in scale, it would be awful. So it's just those little things that each professor has instilled in you really makes a difference. So I was the president of ASID, our student chapter, for last year and a little bit, and then I was the president-elect before that. And then I also have been president of the Alumni Engineering Society on campus for, I want to say, 2 to 3 years now. It's really inspiring to see a woman go out of her comfort zone and go into construction and work that in with her interior architecture degree. I think that's really bold and very inspiring to see women going out there and taking new steps. I'm proud to be a Pointer, and I can't wait to graduate and see what career path opens up for me.